Do you know that people are making 6 figures, 7 figures, even without a university degree or certificate online? Currently, you do not even need a college certificate or degree to earn 6 figures. Since the COVID-19, it is now easier for you to make money online, whether you are from anywhere you are in the world. It doesn't matter whether you are in Nigeria, in South Africa, in Kenya, in the US. You can actually start making money online. And in this video, that is what I'll be showing you. Welcome back to Self Hustle. This is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the first time on this channel, we create videos about how you can make money online, upscale your financial life. And if this looks like something you love, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you. We'll always love you as usual. So in this video, we'll be sharing some information about how you can make money with certain skill sets. Now, we are not only sharing the skill set, but rather we'll also be sharing with you the website that will help you to make this skill possible. If you stick with me to the end of this video, you see the last website I'll be sharing with you. The last website is a banger because it will actually help you to upskill the difficult part of making money and learning a skill. So since after the pandemic, it is no longer news that your certificate, whether a university certificate or a college certificate, is no longer important on this street. Whether it is online or offline, people no longer care about your certificate, but rather the certifications you can offer, maybe by taking a 3-month course or a 6-month course. Now, I do say this here that there is no way you make money on this online street, that the money will be passive and it will be coming consistently without you learning a skill. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 websites where you can actually upskill and learn different digital skills. It doesn't matter whether you have a certain digital skill in mind that you want to learn. And this website are actually 100% free. When I say 100% free, they are 100% free with good certifications that are actually acceptable by Google, by Microsoft, and other big brands, whether in Nigeria or outside. And their certifications are certificates that you can actually use whether on Fiverr or Upwork or any freelancer platform. And this website are all websites that you can actually sign up using your mobile phone. You know, I like using my mobile phone to show you guys how you can make money online so that it will be very, very easy. The first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser. Once you open your Chrome browser, you come to the first website, Google Garage. Google Garage. Let me type it in here so that you will see. Just type in Google Garage and you click on the first link here that is Sales Skill Shop, which is Google Skill Shop. You can actually learn a lot of skills on Google Skill Shop and it is free. As long as you're able to complete the course that you actually opt in for, Google My Garage or Google Skill Shop is free. And you can learn a lot about online business security, whether as a beginner or as an expert. You can learn about fundamentals of digital marketing, understanding the basic of coding. Whatever course you're looking for, just come here to Google Skill Shop or Google Garage, and the certification is well recognized anywhere. The next one here is HubSpot Academy. Now, HubSpot Academy isn't as broad as Google Garage because it is more specific. So if you are looking to go into something like marketing, sales, service, or just normal tutorial, just come here to HubSpot Academy because you have certification courses like email marketing, social media marketing, powering your business through WhatsApp, integrations, and a whole lot of things. Just come down here and scroll through their website and see which one is what you actually want to opt in for. And there is no course on this website that will not fetch you 6 figures. All you have to do is to make sure you take the course, get the certification, and start putting it into practical. You can even choose to offer free services in the meantime. So our number 3 here is Khan Academy. Now, this is basically included in this list because I know I have a lot of writers on this platform, and writers can actually also be tutors, although we have a lot of tutors around on this platform. As long as you are a tutor or you are a writer, you can be a tutor. That's an extra income. Now what you do here is you can learn about K grade, about high school, about mathematics, about language arts, about life skill, about science, test prep, computing, arts and humanities, and a lot more. Now you can come on this website and take a particular course on this website and go and teach it as a tutor on platforms like Keg, Wesrant, Preply, Tutor, Cambly, Tutor Me, Smart Thinking, Varsity Tutors, Resolution Prep. You can come here and sign up on any of these platforms that you are seeing like this and sign up to become a tutor on this platform using the skills that you have learned from Khan Academy. You understand? Now, our number 4 is freecodecamp.org, which is freecodecamp. Now, this freecodecamp has over 40,000 people or developers that have actually gotten jobs just by using their certifications. Now, this particular certification can be used on LinkedIn, especially for those that want to learn about coding and do not have the exorbitant prices that people are charging, whether in Nigeria or outside, whether in your country or anywhere. You can just come to this free code camp and look for any course that you want to do. They have a lot of courses and it is 100% free. Take a course here, work for like 3 to 6 months on your course, and then maybe start a free offer on coding, JavaScript, data visualization, or anything that you want for like 2-3 months. After using the certificate and experience, then you start applying to big remote jobs. That is how you make 6 figures using these courses. Now, you see this last website. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have not liked this video, please like this video and share. And please state it in the comment section the type of company you love to work with, whether Google or Microsoft or Amazon or IBM or LinkedIn or Meta or Salesforce or Twitter or GitLab or Mongo. Just state the company you actually love to work with, because this last website I'm about to share, it is the all-in-one website, a website where it allows you to sign up on other big brands company like Google, Microsoft and Amazon together in one place. That is why I say, you see this last website I want to share, the last website is a banger, because if you are able to stick with this video to the end of this video, you are super lucky, because they have certificates for you as well. Now, this particular last website, this website allows you to sign up on other websites and get their certifications for free. It is also like a body harboring other websites, you understand, like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, LinkedIn or whatever. So if you are looking for a job on LinkedIn, just come through this website and click on LinkedIn here and take any of their 70 free courses. If you're looking for any job on Amazon, just come on this Amazon and take any of their 720 free courses, which also comes with free certificates. So the name of this last website is actually called classcentral.com. Classcentral.com harbors 9,000 free courses from tech giants. You understand? Now, they harbor 9,000 free courses from your big tech companies that you know. Now, you can learn from Google, from Microsoft, from Amazon, and even other big brands that you know. Because this particular website, instead of going from one website to another, you can actually use just this one website to access other websites. You understand? And you can learn any skill that you want, and there are free courses with free certifications. So you do not have an excuse. If you know that you want to earn on a long term on this online street, please, Pico, I'm begging you, because we are going into another year. So please, we are going into another year. Do not let anybody slack you behind or leave you behind. Pick up a course and start learning. Do not let anybody leave you behind, because this our new year, you have to make money. Please just comment it in the comment section that this coming year you will make it. Comment it that I will make it, and I'm telling you, all you need to do is look for a course that works well for you, because all these courses are remote, so you have the time. So look for a course that works well for you and take the course diligently. You understand? Take the course diligently and you will see the result. You can go on TikTok, on Instagram, browse about people that have made this by taking courses, and you will see the results. You don't even need to be in a university or be a university graduate. So let me know what you think about all this website. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you're a returning subscriber, as usual, thank you, we'll love you. And I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.